Alright, hello guys. It's the weekend again. Thank you so much for tuning in. So I really like hot drinks, right? Actually, it's an understatement. I only drink hot drinks. So it's kind of go side by side. If you are a fan of a hot beverage, then you would have a lot of mugs, just like me. So this is how I store them currently. Not that I do not want to buy a mug holder, but I plan to do it, and today is the day. Right, so what I'm going to need for this project is, so I still have this 1x1 pine wood here, so I'm not gonna let it to waste, so I'm just gonna use this one, and also the 1x1 wood bar that I always use. Next one is this 2-inch plywood here, and then some hooks here, and then for decorative purpose, some die cut stickers here, so it shows coffee here, and for the finishing, a flat black spray paint here. Okay, let's get straight into it.
So first step is to draw the shape of the base and cutting it to size. My measurement is 8 inches times 8 inches. After clearing the site with angle grinder, I'll be drilling its center. Next, I'm using a countersink drill. This is to hide the screw head at the bottom. For the bolt, my measurement is 10 inches. So remember, sanding is a must on any woodwork project. Apply the sticker on the base before spraying it. Next is to install the hooks on the pole.
So with all said and done, now is the time for the review of this project. So the first one is the time, right? So it's taken me quite a surprise because it took me only 1 hour and a half to complete this project. So to be honest, I kind of expected it to be more than this, but once it's done, right? So for the time, I'm gonna give it a 5-star. Meanwhile, on the cost, it is slightly on the higher side, to be honest, because I've spent 40 ringgit for 2 sets of this mug holders. So one is around 20 ringgit. It's slightly higher than what they are selling out there. So for the cost, I'm gonna give it a 2-star. As for the technicality, to be honest, this is one of the easier woodwork projects that I've done so far. So basically, if you already know how to do a woodworking project, this is a piece of cake. So with the right tool and the right experience, this is something that you can easily do by yourself, right? So for the technicality, 4-star. As for the satisfaction, right, so I've already mentioned I'm a huge fan of a hot drink, so it really helps me to keep my mugs in places. And also, to be honest, if you ask me, I feel the result is breathtaking. It looks really good. So for the satisfaction, I'm gonna give it a 5-star. So putting the cost aside, I think everything else goes really well with this project, right? So I would really recommend you to give it a try. So that's pretty much it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the process of me making this mug holder, and if you do, don't forget to click like and share this video. So recently I've created a TikTok account which goes similar to what we are having here on my YouTube channel. But if you yourself spend more time on TikTok app, then don't forget to follow my page or follow my channel. So remember, stay safe wherever you are. Until next time.